Today I would like to share my learning experience on OET Reading Part B. As we know that we need to follow QAT method, which means first we need to read for question, then go to answer options, then text. Now I am going to explain question number 1, which is when disclosing distressing information to patients, staff must have. Here, distressing information and avoid are the keywords, and modal verb must is used in this question. By seeing this question, we can understand that they are asking about what staff don't do or what staff need to avoid. So we need to search for any don't or avoid or awareness like that, any words. Next we can go for options. Option A, the temptation to use simplistic language. The keyword is simplistic language. Then we can go for option B, that is directing their attention at family members. In this, keyword is directing their attention. Then we can go for option C, that is any approach which leads to misunderstanding. In this, keyword is misunderstanding. And at last, even before going to the text, we can eliminate option A and B by a common sense like that we are following in our profession. Because we never say that do not use simplistic language, because the patients are normal patients, and we need to tell them in their own language, means whatever they can understand, in that language we need to tell. And option B is telling directing their attention at family members, that we need to avoid, but should not avoid that, because the family members also need to be know everything about the patients, and also the patient has the right to interact with the family members. And now we can go through the text, and it is easy to locate the answer option, which we can see the sentence starting from don't, that is don't say neoplasm if what you mean and what will be understood is cancer, which means don't make patient to be misunderstood. Along with the answer option C, we can confirm by another sentence with must, that is we must be aware that the norms and customs of our patients may not match our. Often we try to soften the delivery of bad news by saying too much and confusing the matter, or by saying too little and leaving people with unanswered questions. This sentence also will lead us to select the correct answer, which is option is option C. Then how we can eliminate? The option B is the exact opposite of the text. And option A is not given. They are not telling to avoid use of simplistic language.